Okay, coming up on this video, new patio area.
Anyway, I'm going to show you this front yard. I went and bought a sod cutter to remove all the grass where I want to make a little patio fire pit area in my backyard. This is it. Flowers I need to plant, stuff I need to throw away or put somewhere else. See, it's broken. Trash. Plants I need to move. They need to be watered really bad. Anyway, but I'm fixing to see if I can operate this sod cutter. Over here is going to be a fire pit. Over here is going to be a sitting area. I got to move all this stuff before I could do anything. Okay, I'm just putting everything out of the way, which is I might have to move it and move it and move it. But I got this little side cleaned out right here because there's cement up under where that thing is. I don't know why. There's just a little strip of it that goes up under there. So I'm not going to be able to do it right there. And also it goes all the way to, I don't know, somewhere over here. So I'll have to kind of dig that up and not run the thing over it. But I can at least do some of this right here, so we'll see how it works. All right, this is my side cutter. Let's see if I can get it turned on again. Let's see, this, I think, maybe not. Maybe that is, nope, on. Okay, and then this, who knows, we'll see. I'm already dripping sweat. I'm obviously gonna have to go get a bandana. Y'all see that? It cuts it. Okay, so this is what we got so far. As far as the first cut. I don't even know what that is. Gross. There's still some grass, whatever there. Let's go down here and see how it started on this end with the second strip. This is where I ended. There's sticker burrs in this like crazy, might I say. All right, so this is my piece of sod. I don't know, inch thick, whatever. Then I came right beside it. Let's see what it looks like. Where did it go? Here it is. Well, I missed the strip right there in the center. Oh Lord. Okay, anyway, I think I actually need to cut it just a little bit deeper. And then we just roll, which I wish I had a son here to help, but I don't. Under the tree a little bit too. Okay, I know it's a shame to trim such a beautiful tree. It is beautiful when it blooms. It's got purple things on it, but it also had some dead limbs over there, and it's all up in my business here, and so I have to trim this tree, and so I can get around it. I'm gonna put rock or mulch around it once I get all the grass away from it. That way it'll be pretty. It'll go with my patio. See, all this is dead. Dead, dead, dead. Dead. Well, the end of it wasn't dead. Some of it was dead. That part was dead over there. Okay, just wanted to talk to you about the sod cutter. It's so easy to like to push behind or whatever. It's not easy like to turn or like pull back and reposition. That's not easy at all. That's hard. And also picking all this stuff up that you roll up, that's not really fun either. Should do smaller pieces because with all that dirt and stuff, it gets very heavy. So I could only find one glove. Yay. So I'm gonna go dump that in the chicken pen, maybe do a little bit more. And it is almost getting like dark outside. It's probably 7:30, I don't know. Anyway, I'm very tired. Hope I have to finish this tomorrow. Yes, it's a mess down here. Hard. Whatever, I had dug out a lot of the good compost, so it's kind of just compacted dirt with chicken poop. We're gonna dump this out. Oh, let me tell you, it is heavy. Heavy. Take a nap and a rest because this is rough for 2 days. Okay, so this is how I've cleaned all this out. We still have dirt to pick up, big time. But we went and got 100 pavers, so we're gonna make a little walkway right here. Yeah, Jag, first stamp right there, baby. Put the sausage digging holes underneath there. Okay, let me see. Get down the steps. Boom. Push a little bit more down. It's tall. So, how we doing? I'll go ahead and put a few more right here. Yeah. This is a lower spot, then it goes up high, then it goes down low again. Oh, Lord have mercy. And I'm getting into all this today. Okay. Next blocks. Good. Let's put them there and see how bad we are to fall. Yeah. Hey girl. Do I have any more bags of sand over there, baby? I do, one or two.
If I got down like that, I wouldn't get up. I wouldn't be able to get up.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get an idea, and then I'll have to go back and play. Because these are not level, which my front ones didn't end up totally level either. I mean, if I'm doing it, it's not going to be perfect. That's just the way it is.
They actually look pretty straight from up here, but they actually look pretty straight from up here.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty good, but it ain't perfect, but it's pretty good. But I want to make sure I don't trip on one or whatever. I'll probably have to raise them up, put more sand so they'll be raised up a little bit. And then, I just don't want anybody tripping.
Here. Good job. Now come on up here and go with another row right here. Here you go. That's how you do it. Yep, that's how you do it. Don't back anything loose now. Keep your roll straight.
I'll put everybody to work. Everybody. Okay, they're making me a ledge with cinder blocks. We got the walkway done. It is not straight, it is not level, but it is pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I like it, I like it. So, and then I'm still working on getting the grass out of here. So we'll see. Good job, boys. Okay, I've kind of just set some stuff up just so we can get an idea of what we're doing, what the plan is. Digging up grass up there that I didn't get with the sod cutter, and even what I did get with the sod cutter, it's already growing back. Anyway, and then this is my little fire pit area. I'm gonna put rock around this, hopefully. So that's the update so far. Now I'm just going to dig all this grass up here and around this generator. I gotta pull the rest of that grass probably by hand once it dries. But as dirty as I am, I'm going to Walmart in just a minute to buy eggs to dye for Easter, because this is the Saturday before Easter. And I'm supposed to be in there cooking and cleaning and dyeing eggs and blah, blah, blah. And here I am out in the garden doing stuff. But I'd honestly rather be out in the garden. I wish somebody else would cook all that stuff. We're having Cajun jambalaya, gumbo, potato salad, cornbread, deviled eggs, that kind of weird stuff for Easter. Just something different. That's what my daughter wanted, so that's what my daughter gets. And everybody else is gonna get it too, whether they want it or not. So this is what I got done so far. This, I think I showed y'all this a while ago, but that's it. Gonna get some more of this stuff. Gonna put it down and put the mulch down, get some more cinder blocks, do them 2 or 3 levels tall down there and kind of go down and then go across. Then I'm gonna make a path somehow to the shed and to there. I'm not quite sure how I've done that yet because I want to be able to mow around it, so I'm not quite sure. But that's might be it for the day. Good morning. I just went outside. Today was supposed to be yard day. It's Wednesday. I was gonna mow my yard and my mother-in-law's yard. We have like almost 3 acres, minus all these outbuildings, chicken pens, all this whatever. Anyway, as soon as I walked outside, it started sprinkling. It is now raining. I did get this done. I've been outside working in the rain. I put all this cardboard down. That's all I have. And I need some more cinder blocks. I'm gonna build those about, I don't know, 3 high, maybe 4, I don't know, that way, and then go down a little bit as I get to the end, maybe just 1 or 2 rows across. It's not straight. But anyway, y'all have seen this. You see my grass is already growing back though. It's just whatever. Okay, this is about a week later though. We had Easter and different things going on, life just going on. And so it's about a week later and the grass did start growing back through. You tell them boys what to do. Man, I'm telling you. It's not y'all, it's me. I can't get nothing straight. There we go. I had them all down at the end, but I had to hit my brakes because I almost blew through a stop sign, not paying attention.
Look at the chickens.
Yeah, I see that chicken. I see that chicken.
It's my cat.
They like to, I need more cardboard.
Now this is my cat.
Yeah, Rosie. Okay, put it all around on the cardboard. Yeah. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you'll join me for part 2, which I should have out in the next day.